The urea cycle. The urea cycle is also known as ornithine cycle or Krebs ancillate cycle. When our body breaks down amino acids, the nitrogen from these amino acids gets converted into ammonia, a toxic compound that our body needs to get rid of quickly. That's where the urea cycle comes in. The urea cycle is a remarkable metabolic pathway that converts this ammonia into urea, making it safe for excretion. The urea cycle consists of 5 enzyme catalyzed reactions. The first 2 reactions take place in the mitochondria and the next 3 in the cytoplasm. Now, let's look at the reaction of this pathway. Let's say this is the mitochondria of the cell and this is the cytoplasm. The starting material in this cycle are carbon dioxide and ammonium ion. Carbon dioxide combines with ammonium ion to form carbamoyl phosphate. In this reaction, 2 ATP is utilized. This reaction is catalyzed by carbamoyl phosphate synthetase 1, and this step is known as the rate limiting step in the synthesis of urea. And carbamoyl phosphate synthetase 1 is known as the rate limiting enzyme in the synthesis of urea. The next reaction involves the synthesis of citrulline, which requires ornithine, which is present in the cytosol. The ornithine, which is present in the cytosol, is transported to the mitochondria. On getting to the mitochondria, carbamoyl phosphate transfers its carbamoyl group to ornithine, forming citrulline and releasing inorganic phosphate. This reaction is catalyzed by ornithine transcarbamylase. The next 3 reactions takes place in the cytoplasm. So the citrulline in the mitochondria will have to be transported to the cytosol. On getting to the cytosol, the citrulline combines with aspartate to form arginosuccinate. This reaction is catalyzed by arginosuccinate synthetase, and the energy for this reaction is obtained from the hydrolysis of ATP to AMP and inorganic pyrophosphate. The fourth reaction involves the cleavage of arginosuccinate to arginine and fumarate by arginosuccinase. The Krebs cycle is linked to the urea cycle by the fumarate, which is produced in this reaction. The fifth reaction involves the hydrolysis of arginine, releasing urea and regenerating ornithine, which continues the cycle. The enzyme that catalyzes this reaction is known as arginase. The urea produced in the urea cycle is transported via the bloodstream from the liver to the kidney, where it is excreted in the urine.